Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're actually going to debug our project that we did the last time. If you are following up with this series, you remember that our first series was actually configuring our database and creating the users and some PDF table. And the other previous video was about making the auth flow, the middleware and the summarizing of the PDF, which is the core focus of our project. But in today's video, we are going to debug and test our project, because after we wrote our project the other time, we never actually tested it to know if it is working or not. So with that being said, guys, let's get into the video. Guys, here we are in my laptop screen right now. After we finish writing our project all the time, and we said we are going to test it, so today now we will be doing the testing. And for us to do this testing, first of all, let me start our server, npm server. Remember, if you don't know how we got onto this place, just check out the previous video. A link will be in the description so that you can check it out, so you don't miss out on what we have been doing so far. So yeah, I've started the server right now. Then I'll just go back to Postman, dismiss, and I will try to log in first of all, because we've created an account already. What you just need to do right now is to log in. So I will try to log in. So this is my email address I use in creating an account. I will just send this request and try to log in. Okay, and then the next thing is for me to copy this token that you see right here. Ctrl C. Then I will come over here and I will hit this route. This is our URL, which is our backend localhost/API /API, which is what you can see here from the server side. You come down here. This was how we set everything up. Localhost API/PDF. You get /API, then the /PDF route. This /PDF route, that is what you see here also. Then if you come over to the PDF route file, what is it again? Yeah, this is it. Come over to the PDF route file, you see /summarize. This is where we summarize our PDF document. So you see /summarize over here. Now let me set up our Postman. This is it. Then from this side, let me take this off. Yeah. So first of all, come to authorization, click on computer token, and we paste our token that we copied the other time in this very space over here. They will come over to body, and you come over to form data. You check this box. You just try and fill it. Let me delete this, and so we see what is happening. Yeah, so this key over here should be this key that you put here. And this key is what we use when we are setting up our motor over here. Yeah. Motor. Nope. It's what we use when we upload our document. It should be, let me look for it. PDF. This is not it. It's not PDF. Yeah, it should be in our middleware. Rather, should it be here? Is it here? Let me check this very place. In our route, rather. Let me check our route. Okay, upload a single. Yeah. It's also set here. So when you come over to this place, it says the single, you should accept the PDF document. Yeah, this is the case. So that is what you actually put here. So the browser actually knows what it's expecting when it's getting a file. Then it turns it from this text to file. Then you click on yes, click on new file from local machine. Then I will look for one of my class materials, which is this one. I'll try this. Okay, great. Now since everything is set up, I'll just click on send, and let's test our API routes. Now we are getting an error saying fail to summarize PDF. Let me come here. We're not getting the error here. So what we need to do, come over to our PDF controllers, because we need to know where the error is coming from, and it's coming from our summarize document function. So let me quickly come over here and check it. First of all, let's console log the error so we know where the error is coming from. Console.log. slash error. I'm just going to show log the whole error so we know where it's coming from. Okay, so let's send the request again. Okay. Let me check. Okay, let's check again. Okay, now we get the error logged out in our console, and it's saying something about file to summarize before initialization, and this should be here in what place now? Yeah, line 35. Okay, line 35 is talking about this side. I guess we didn't use this side, so let me just comment this side out of it. We didn't use this side, let me comment that side out of it, and let's try it again. Hopefully with my fingers crossed this time around it should work. And now we get another error. Okay, said API error, this model is currently experiencing high demand pattern. Now this very error is not from our end, but rather is from the API that we are using, which is Gemini. So we need to wait for a few minutes and come back later. Okay guys, here we are again. Let me try it and see if it will work out now, because our API is experiencing, okay, it's working fine. So now our API has started running, so just go back to Postman and send our request again. Hopefully it should work this time around. My fingers crossed, and it's loading. It's loading. Okay, we still get an error saying failed to summarize PDF. Let's see. Let's come over here and see what is happening. We say type error, fetch failed, and models will generate documents as server. 74. Now it's referencing this very part, but according to their documentation, it is correct, because I actually tried it here. I wrote another thing here so I could check. That is why you get this little definition in summarization, this little whatever you say over here, this little response. So I've tried it out and it literally works. So let me just try it out again. It should work. Hopefully it should work. Okay, we are restarting. You see, it's the same error in line 74 that is referenced over here. This gen AI models will generate is what I also used here to check if I was doing the right thing, and turns out I am doing the right thing, because you can see a response is being logged out in our console over here. So let me try it again from Postman and send our request again. Loading. Still loading. Oh, finally it has worked. Now you can see our project is working fine. So we can actually hit, since it's working fine, it's summarizing the document very well. We can hit any of these routes that we see over here. So hitting this route, we will do it while building our front end, so you get an idea of how to actually connect the back end to the front end. So you can actually hit this route over here to get a single document. You can hit this route to delete a single document rather, and we can also get all our summarized documents using this route over here. So with that being said, guys, that is the end of our video, and I do hope to see you in our next video. If this video has actually helped you, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section about the things I could improve on my video. With that being said, see you guys in the next video.